Hi guys, have you ever seen such an amazing signage product as you can see right now on my hand? So it's Eva from LCSIGN. So today we will show you a creative lightboxes that is on fire all over the internet. It will help you grow your business and level up your store. So check out this double-sided lightboxes on my hand here right now. This one is double-sided and hand tag selling lightbox. It's super perfect to show your business. Adopt humanizable double-sided light emitting design. The lightbox is flanked by two sizes of clear acrylic, and the poster can be replaced on both sides at will, like this. I'm gonna show you. It's super easy to change the poster by just pulling out and replace it like what I did right now. Ultra thin design, lightweight and no weight burden, and does not take up any space in your store. It only requires 2 screws to install, so which is super easy and convenient to use. It uses high quality LED wick, and the light guide plate emits uniform light, composed of antioxidant aluminum alloy materials, which is not easy to deform, scratch proof, and anti-collision. Available in different sizes, and the poster can be customized. Commonly used in shopping malls, shops, and other commercial occasions, as you can see. So LCSIGN, as a professional advertising signage manufacturer brand for nearly 14 years, yeah, that's right, we can offer you the suitable plan and will be your best choice. So what kind of business do you have that needs such a magic lightboxes like this? Comment down to let me know, and don't forget to follow LCSIGN, guys.